Hi, Violet. Hi, Violet. Violet was 13 months old yesterday. Hi. Violet, what does a duck say? Yeah. Violet, what does a monkey say? What does a monkey say? Good job. Violet, what does a doggy say? What does a doggy say? Puppy. No, puppy. What does a puppy say? Ruff, ruff. Violet, can you say A, B, C, D? A, B, C, D. Good job. Say cheese. Hi.